Very high, okay. 2019 Chevy Suburban. Okay, transmission was being replaced, new engine computer program, and we have a like transmission fluid or the temperature. So let me see what we have here. Okay. Chevrolet. Okay. Okay. Suburban 5.3 liter. Okay, auto scan. So next time, engine control, ignition relay control circuit. This is history maybe. Invalid data received from body control module. Left front tire, right front, left front. Those camera view. I don't see that code. Maybe you delete it?
Maybe clear it.
Yeah, maybe clear it, yeah. A quick erase. Let me just erase this. There's nothing there, so only the engine control module, a relay or something. Yeah, ignition, engine control, ignition relay control circuit. This code doesn't want to go away. And the tire pressure, but you need to check also before you give him the car. The engine control, ignition relay control circuit. Is it failed now or?
We did move something around yesterday.
Yeah, still code is there.
Now we clear it after we move it.
Huh? You didn't put it back?
Yeah, but we didn't clear it.
Okay. Oh. No code now. It's gone. It's done. He's leaving. He's leaving now. Okay, I don't see anything now. The transmission, I don't see no code. So if, yeah, it's gone. Only you have tire, but
He'll come back in a few once he the temperature reaches 2.
At least we know what happened, and in the future when you're changing a brand new transmission, it's better also to update that piece with you in the future. Yeah. So just that's what I see regarding the temperature he's talking about.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's a transmission bypass valve. Okay. We have this code for 2019 and the code was P0. Hold on, let me see the code. The code was this one here. You see? P0634. And to fix this one for Yukon and Suburban, you have to change this piece. You see this piece here? Transmission cooler. Let me go to part. This piece here have to be changed. If you have this problem, please, if you rebuild the transmission, change this piece with you. They say transmission coolant bypass valve, $45. See where you can get it and buy one. Thank you for watching.